Good morning! A few weeks ago, we did a Sales Vault workshop on time management. And, I've got about, 6 or 7 people on the call, and it's a sharing of information. So one of the participants said, I've got so much paperwork to do that I just can't get in any sales calls. That was a few weeks ago. Last week, I did a workshop on new business. The same guy, his name is Bob, showed up again. And he said, before we get started, I got to report in on something because the tip that you gave me 3 weeks ago in that time management workshop is working great. The tip that I gave him was, you've got this list of things to do. Before you get to that next item, you make 2 sales calls. Just 2. That's it. After you make the 2 sales calls, you go back and you do that thing, that most important thing on your list. When you're done with that, before you move on, 2 sales calls. All day long. Sneak in 2 sales calls. And you've heard me say this before, but just yet the new business workshop and the success that Bob has had really drove me to hit you up again with this because I want you to do this week. I want you to try this and see if you have the same success that Bob has. Now, Bob reported to making 6 sales calls a day. So it's not like he's making 30, but hey, 6 is 6 more than he's been making, and it might even be 6 more than you're making. 6 times 5, 30 a week, 4 weeks, 120 a month. He did this for 1 week, and then he did it for a second week, and now he's on his 3rd week. And the attitude, the confidence. I said to Allison at dinner, I said, oh my gosh, that was so rewarding. I love the fact that he has that fire in his eyes now, because success breeds success. Try this for 1 week. This was just a very simple sales tip, and I'm so glad that it helped Bob. Very rewarding for me. But this might help you as well. 2 calls in between your tasks. You may have heard me say it before, but I want to challenge you to do it again this week. And I tell you what, the end of this week, there's a Sales Vault workshop on the best of the best and what makes the best of the best, the best of the best. And I promise you that the daily sales call, the discipline, the planning, the time management, the diligence are going to be there. So if you want to be the best of the best, start with this very simple sales tip. And go have a great selling week. And I will talk to you next Monday.